it is here, it is very clearly it is given in the picture, that one the winter solicit in December 22nd, and here we can see in the September 23rd it is autumn season in North India, and spring season in the means northern hemisphere, and spring season in the southern hemisphere. At the same time, in month of March we can see in the northern side, northern hemisphere it is spring season and autumn season in the southern hemisphere. And if you are looking at this picture, we can see the earth is not in the correct position, the 90 degree like that, the north and south pole, it is not coming in the straight way, it is little bit tilted. And we can see another one, some activity they are asked to do here. First one, we want to the eclipse ellipse, how we can make it, and we want to take pencil and two pins and a loop of thread. With the help of that one, how we can make the picture, because this is earth and sun, it is sun is standing in particular position, earth is moving, according to that we want to make it. And another one, understand the earth inclination in the same direction, why it is that, with the help we want to want to take a flag or one stick and want to fix it, and we can see the ways in how it is moving, the shadow of that one, from that also we can understand. And the question answer we will discuss. What is the angle of the inclination of the earth's axis with the orbit plane, and definition of rotation and revolution? All these questions are there in the textbook. I think you can find out that one. No need to write, just mark in the textbook that answer you want to mark in the textbook. Just mark the answer where it is there in the textbook, and with put 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers, you can write the numbers instead of this ABCD. You can write into 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Then tick this one, you want to do this also, you want to do in the textbook, this also you want to do in the textbook, means all questions you should do in the textbook. And we can see the motion of the earth and some activity we want to do, and make a drawing to show the inclination of earth. This drawing you want to do in your notebook, and record the timing of the sunrise and sunset at your place, taking the help of your local newspaper. And 21st of 20 on the 21st of the earth month, and answer the following: in which month are the days are shortest? We know that one theoretically, what is that in the when we are getting the shortest days and longest days we are getting. And in our area, how we are facing that, you want to take with the help of newspaper, or take the help of your parents, like that you can make the you can find out the answer. And for fun purpose, you can do some activity, and in that we want to make take a stick and marking the shadow of the stick, and according to with every 15 minutes, if you want to marking the shadow of how much centimeter it is away from it is long or short, like that things you can mark it. Not only one day, many days, if you are doing like that, very clearly you can understand the movement of the earth, a movement of the earth in both way, rotation as well as the revolution, you can understand. So by this we are completing the lesson. And your today you will get your worksheet, and you can complete it, and next day I will give the homework. Thank you, have a nice day.